What's up, everybody? Philip here. Another educational video. So, putting disc brakes on the back of the old Scout here. And I noticed down inside the tube, this thing is just packed full of rust and crap and crud. So, got to clean it out, putting in new seals and stuff. So, I got two amazing inventions here. First of all, my handy dandy little pointing tool. I got a bunch of these out of a car I bought at the auction. They're for putting your golf clubs in. I guess you put these in your bag and then you can slide your golf clubs in there and it protects them. Pretty, whatever, I got like 20 of them. So, I took one, wrapped a rag around the end of it, a little bit of tape, ran that through the axle tube a bunch of times, got a bunch of the crud out of there, but it wasn't quite enough. So then we moved on to phase two. Got the old shop vac out, wrapped a rag around one end of one of these little bastards, shoved it in there, and ran that whole thing in there, cleaned out all that crap. So, if you're sitting around figuring out how to clean all the garbage out of your axle, there you go. Like and share. Send me some money. See ya.